Hello everyone. Let's get started with today's thought. People with purpose, goals, and visions have no time for drama. They invest their energy in creativity and focus on living a positive life. Children, can you think of some sources which can be used as energy? Plants use sunlight as source of energy for preparing their food. At home, we use coal, kerosene, LPG to prepare food. This food gives us energy after digestion. We also use electricity to run various machines like fan, TV, refrigerator, washing machine, computer, mixer in our home. Can you name the sources of energy used in industry? Coal, petroleum, natural gas, solar energy, tidal energy, and nuclear energy are few sources of energy used in industry. Coal, petroleum, and natural gas are called non renewable sources of energy. Solar, tidal, and nuclear are called renewable sources of energy as they will not finished off. Can coal, petroleum, natural gas be prepared by man? No. Coal, petroleum, natural gas cannot be prepared by man. They are formed in nature by burial of plant and sea animals. This will take millions of years to form. After industrial revolution, people have realized that coal and petroleum reserves will soon finish off as we are using them indiscriminately. This fear and further need of energy for development of countries, scientists started to look after another green option of energy which were renewable and causing less harm to environment. Nuclear energy is one such energy which causes less harm to environment as there is less chances of formation of carbon dioxide gas and other polluting gases. Nuclear reactions are of two types: fission reaction and fusion reaction. Nuclear reactor works on these two types of reactions. In both types of reactions, tremendous heat energy is generated, which is then converted into electrical energy. In fission reaction, the nucleus of radioactive element is broken down into two or more nuclei of different elements by bombarding with neutrons or similar other particles. Uranium 235 undergoes nuclear fission to form nuclei of two different elements, krypton 92 and barium 141, and 2 to 3 neutrons are released. So this is one type of reaction which takes place in nuclear reactor. Nuclear energy is also generated by nuclear fusion reaction. Here, four hydrogen nuclei are fused to form helium nucleus and lot of energy is released. This fusion reaction takes place in the sun. This nuclear fusion reaction requires a very high temperature for reaction to take place. Research is going on to use such type of fusion reaction to generate energy as this is more cleaner source of energy. It does not produce any other radioactive byproduct. So fission reaction means breaking down of large nucleus into two or more nuclei. And in fusion reaction, fusion means union. So union of two or more nuclei to form one nucleus. Is it clear to you? Nuclear power plant is a special type of power plant in which nuclear fission reaction is used to generate electricity through various processes. And we are going to study in detail how nuclear power plant works. So nuclear power plant is operated on the principle of controlled chain reaction, and which involves nuclear fission reaction. Nuclear power accounts for 16% of the world's energy. Although it is not a renewable resource, it is an important source of energy because it has no carbon dioxide emissions. Because of this, it is an important bridge between the coal and gas energy we use today and the completely clean renewable energy we are looking towards. We will study how nuclear reactor works in next video.